Awukhulume nomuntu osekhaya mngani wami.
Yeah, you know, judging
Yeah.
from the way that I look and the fact that I roll a joint,
Yes.
most people will say I am as far away from the creator as one can be.
Yes.
But I'd just like to highlight that Saul, who would later become Paul,
Yes.
was an alchemist. Wayumthakathi with the ability yokukhipha amadimoni kubantu abanamadimoni awafake emakholweni.
Yeah.
He was the persecutor of Christians.
Yes.
Nje i-12 yonke.
Yeah.
Some of them were fishermen. We
Yes.
know how fishermen behave.
Yeah.
Kharuz,
Yeah.
the open lands behambe befuna abantu besifazane, but yet umveli nqangi ufana nokuthi waya odakeni noma waya endleni eyokhipha into azobuya ayisebenzise yena. Now I'm going to share with you something.
Yeah.
I'm going to share with you about faith.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah,
which
yeah.
is the crux of all belief. I don't care
Yo.
what religion you subscribe to,
Yo.
but
Yo.
the crux of everything is that we have faith. Faith in the unseen,
Yes.
faith in the unknown. Now, you see, the luxuries of today,
Yes.
the cell phone that you're probably watching me from, or the laptop that you're going to take this video and edit it on,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
make it say whatever you want it to say.
Yeah. Yeah.
All those luxuries block us. They become le mthwalo esikhuluma ngayo masithi wasithula imthwalo.
Yo. Yo.
What do I mean?
Yeah.
You no longer have the essence of being godly because le mthwalo makes you fear
Yo.
omunye umuntu.
Yo.
But God says, let us make man in my own image and my own likeness. And
Yo.
when it's done,
Yo.
afaka umphefumulo wakhe kulo muntu.
Yo.
Ergo, every walking man
Sumphefumulo wakhe.
and then
Yeah.
you
Yeah, mngani wami. Yeah.
and then you in
Yeah.
your Mercedes Benz
Yes.
driving from church on a Sunday roll up your window because the man at the robot. When I was young, my grandmother used to tell me a story of a woman who asked God to visit,
Yeah. Yeah.
and she cleaned her house sparkling, spotly white.
Yeah.
Waqhamuka umuntu ofana nami
Yo.
wacela iglasi yamanzi.
Yo.
Wathi lo mama ngilindele abantu ababaluleke kakhulu,
Yo.
abaqini kakhulu kunami.
Kanti kwase kuyena.
And later on,
Yeah.
she asked, she fell on her knees, wabuza ukuthi uthe uzofika, ngiyakwazi, you're a man of your word, kwenze njani?
Why ungafikanga?
Wathi ngifiki.
Awunginakanga. Ngitshele ngefaith mngani wami sesivala. Kunale faith oyithintile.
Now,
Yeah.
you see, by faith all things are done, by faith all things are created,
Yo.
by faith all things exist.
Yo. Yo.
Ukuthi ngizodlani mina namhlanje ebusuku, it's through faith.
Ha,
Ukuthi
ha,
ngizolala ngivuke kusasa ekuseni, it's
Yo.
through faith.
Yo.
And it's not because I have nothing that I have faith,
Yeah.
but it's because I have everything that I have faith.
Oh, ngoba une-faith. Hayi mngani wami buya.
So, ngoba,
Yeah.
yes, I might not be driving that luxury car or don't have that haircut from that expensive barber, but I do have something.
Yo.
I've got the word. I've got the promise. Ukuthi when it all ends,
Yeah, khuluma nomuntu osekhaya ubukele, khuluma naye.
there's no reverend that can lead you there,
Yo.
because the experience yakho nomveli nqangi eyakho naye, the God of your understanding, not mine. uSarai bamfitha ehlanye ethempelini athi umprofeti udakiwe yini athi cha. I am already receiving something. Now this is what faith is. Uthi uNkulunkulu nginazi ningakabi ngisho ama-ideas kuma-parents enu.
Yo.
Ngazi uwelo olusekhanda lakho uthi lungabi.
Aye.
So which means God has already created everything for you that you need, and it is sitting at a warehouse.
Yo. 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 Yo.
Ukhiye wale warehouse faith.
Yo. Yo.
Ikhadi lale warehouse faith.
Hey, it's already there. It's already there. You just need to apply faith.
That job
Ngana, we are preaching faith.
that you're looking for
Yeah.
is already there.
Yo.
That house, that car, that marriage, that freedom, spiritual freedom already exists. All you have to do is sign up for faith.
Yo.
Free contract, 10 years in church.
Aye. Hayi. Hayi mngani wami you're spitting fire.
You know,
Yeah,
I
yeah.
was born to be a reverend, but I denounce the structures of the church because they come with too many politics.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So I preach like this to that one who's willing to listen. Angayibuki imvilophi, athathe okungaphakathi envilophini.
Yo.
Ngoba imvilophi iyanethwa,
Yo. Iyadabuka.
kodwa okungaphakathi.
What is important is inside.
Yathi-
Mngani wami ngiyabonga.
yathi ingane ngelinye ilanga kumalume, umalume ekhala ngokuthi mina njalo la ekhaya vele ningiphakele iphiko noma ningiphakele umkhwepha.
Yeah.
Yathi ingane emalume ebheka okungaphakathi.
Yo, yo.
Hayi
Yeah.
umalume konje nidlala ngami nesambane elodwa wathi mehla umalume nali iqatha ngaphansi elikhulu kunawo wonke. Bheka, wait.
Hey.
For they that wait in the Lord
Aye.
shall mount up on wings like eagles. Bagijima bangakhathali.
Bangakhathali. Hayi mngani wami you are preaching the gospel.
Hayi,
Yeah, ubani igama?
this is from me to you.
Igama. Are you free ukulisho?
Igama lami nguNkonzo Enhle leThixolo wakadla.
Dlamini.
It's a pleasure.
Oh.
It's a pleasure to meet
Siba
you.
lukhona. Oh.
It's a pleasure to meet you.
Yeah, mfethu.
And I hope that this message
Yeah, izohamba.
reaches you in time.
Yeah, yeah. Izofica umuntu right ngesikhathi esi right.
Reaches you
Yeah.
in time.
Yeah, 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 yeah.